In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your Lightroom presets, first on desktop and then on mobile. On desktop, make sure you have a photo open so you can access the editing tools and presets panel. You'll also want to make sure you're in the Edit workspace, not browsing your photo library. On the left side presets panel, click the plus icon and choose Import Presets. Before importing, make sure you extract the zip file first because Lightroom needs the XMP preset files inside the folder. Once imported, Lightroom will automatically add the presets to your library. Go ahead and simply click through the presets one by one and find the look you like best. Now let's import presets on Lightroom Mobile. Open Lightroom Mobile on your phone and select the photo you want to edit. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Presets option. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Import Presets. For mobile, it's important to import the zip file directly without extracting it first. If you extract the files beforehand, Lightroom will import them one by one instead of all at once. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message that the presets have been imported successfully. Now you can tap through the presets, try different looks, and choose your favorite. And that's it. You can find this preset bundle by clicking the link in the description below. This collection was designed for a soft, muted Scandinavian aesthetic with bright, airy tones, clean whites, luxurious skin tones, cozy neutrals, and elegant muted colors. The bundle includes 16 Lightroom presets and is perfect for photographers, influencers, and content creators who want a clean, elevated, and effortlessly aesthetic look. Have fun editing!